Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix when keeps restarting on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on, you will see first option is, second option is my phone. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings and click on reset. Enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see reset all settings. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix when keeps restarting on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.